Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Elle. I'm a painter and a printmaker, and I thought I'd do something a little bit different today. I've been working on this block for a couple of days now. I am getting pretty close to the end here, and so I thought I would do a carving time lapse, but just of a specific section. So right now I'm focusing on these flowers up at the top here. I just finished the leaves earlier. I wanted to get those done because I wanted to know what my light and dark balance was going to be as I was working my way up. It's pretty dark here down at the bottom. I intend to put in some amount of detailing here, but nothing too major. I don't want to draw too much away from some of the heavier details that are happening here, and that will be happening in the bird. I wanted to see what this area looked like up here with all of these highly detailed leaves before I kind of decided what I wanted to do with the flowers. I think having a darker floral element up here is going to tie in better down here. But anyway, I wanted to do this little intro so that you could kind of see what my transfer process is as far as designing work and then transferring it to a block. This is how I do my print. This is as detailed as my sketches get, and then I make decisions as I go. For this reason, I have a really dark area here, and I just didn't know what that was going to look like with this interplay. I wanted dark leaves in the back and light leaves in the front. So anyway, you get it. I'll start working and we'll see how this comes out. Just a quick side note before I start working here. I'm intending to start with this flower here because if something goes horribly wrong, I can get rid of this without kind of impacting the rest of the block. Wow, my hands are so dry. Anyway, if I mess this up, I can get rid of this one a lot easier than I can get rid of these two. So we're gonna start with this one. I want to pause for whatever that's worth. The tricky thing about these sort of detailed pieces in these prints is that you can really easily kind of hit a tipping point where it just becomes way muddy. And so I'm trying to be really careful and give that line a lot of space so I don't accidentally go over it. I want to make sure that I'm not adding so much detail into these flowers. Hold on, there's a truck, sorry. Like I was saying, I want to make sure I'm not adding so much detail into these flowers that the whole block just becomes this sort of garbled, unreadable mess. Let me zoom out as big as I can so you can see as much of the whole thing as you can. So I'm trying to keep in mind areas of rest because I've got so much area of interest here and in this vase. I just have to be really careful. So I don't want to add, I think, much more detail into these flowers. So I think I'll get these two done and see where we're at. I might get these stems carved out as well. And then I've just got a couple of buds, which both of these sets of buds are in places where if I decide that it's too busy, I can just kind of cut them out. But we'll see how that develops, I think, after the flowers. So anyway, just wanted to make a note of that. And yeah, we'll keep on going. I'm pausing again here to just kind of address what I'm doing. I've carved out all these little details with this tiny little U-gouge, and now I'm going back with a bigger V just to expand some of the outer petal lines. If I don't do this, these flowers, all these marks are all the same size, and if I widen some of these outer lines, it'll kind of just help distinguish between what's the petal line and what's a detail line, and it'll just help the flower read a little more full. So anyway, just wanted to point that out. Here is what we've accomplished today. I've got the flowers in, and a couple of the little buds that I decided to keep. I was on the fence about it, but I think that they balance out some of the dark spots. And we've got a little bit of stuff going on in the stems. All that's really left to do is the bird as far as tying everything in. There's not much detail going on down here, so I think I'll probably add some stuff. I don't know what yet. Yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and like it, I guess. And that's all I got, so I'll see you.